on this side. How are the cables secured? Roger that. Starting the descent now. Watch the port side.
The structural damage from the crash and the subsequent immersion is well documented here. We can clearly see the impact on the right wing. Recovery operation officially begins.
Stress readings are spiking in Sector Gamma, levels approaching critical.
Reroute auxiliary power now. I need that data logged.
Confirmed. Auxiliary power engaged. Data secure.
Watch the starboard side, coming in low. Copy that, easy now.
Salvage complete. Restoration to begin.
All right, keep it slow. Watch the clearance on the right stabilizer.
The entire section is flooded. How did this much water get in here?
I don't know, but we have a major problem.
Continuity confirmation. Avionics declared non-recoverable.
The structural integrity here is compromised.
Document that on the tablet and make sure the tag is secured.
Already done. Moving to the next section.
That signal is peaking right at the threshold.
Yes, definitely a subsurface indication at 3 millimeters. Mark it for review. The deformation here exceeds tolerance.
Yes, look at the shear stress near the attachment point.
The scanner is picking up delamination internally. The structural integrity around this joint is questionable based on the original specs.
We can address that. The feasibility study suggests.
Make sure this one is logged under the new manifest.
Okay, scanning the turbine now. Priority tag confirmed. The primary spar alignment looks good, but check the data from the aft measurement rig again.
Running the cross-reference now, the tolerances are tight.
We are centered, alignment verified. Copy that. Securing the mount now.
This section here, just forward of the wing.
All right, I have the data pulled up. Looks like a perfect fit.
The alignment looks good on section 4.
Copy that. We'll secure the lower rivets now.
Check the measurements on the next panel.
Wing reattachment begins.
That should hold it. Final screws are tight.
Confirmed. All green on the diagnostics.
Left deflection verified, go right. Roger that, moving to the right. Right linkage confirmed, back to center, all green.
Fuel system integrity checked.
The wing spar looks good, but check the leading edge actuator again.
Already noted it. The readings are within tolerance.
The aircraft is ready for the finishing and testing phase.
Check the connections on Bay 4.
Looks good. Diagnostics report nominal readings.
Hydraulics on the main gear look nominal.
Confirmed on the diagnostic panel. We are clear for the next power cycle.
Overhead panel, fuel pumps engaged.
Confirmed. Checklist shows green.
Hydraulic system integrity confirmed.
pressure valve on line 3. See any drips?
No, looks good. Fluid systems verified, leak-free.
Confirmed. Moving on. Okay, intake cover is clear.
Confirmed. Running pre-start diagnostics now.
All personnel clear.
Confirm safe distance.
Engine test clearance established. Spooling up.
All parameters are stable. Confirmation on the throttle response.
Looks good. We are well within the green limits.
Engine test complete.